Hi guys, how are you? Well, I hope that everyone is fine. By the way, I am Teacher Joter and I would like to welcome you to our virtual class in mathematics. Alright guys, so today I will discuss to you something about the rectangular coordinate plane, or also known as the Cartesian plane. Well, sounds new to you, right? Yes. You might think that it is an airplane or a jet plane. But no. It's not what you're thinking. It is a different plane. Well, this is the Cartesian plane. It is named after the famous French mathematician René Descartes, who formalized its use in mathematics. The rectangular coordinate system consists of two real number lines that intersect at a right angle. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis, while the vertical number line is called the y-axis. The intersection of two axes is known as the origin that corresponds to the point 0, 0. The plane is divided into four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Each point on a plane is associated with an ordered pair of real numbers x, y. The first number is called the x-coordinate or the abscissa, while the second number is called the y-coordinate or ordinate. Notice that at the x-axis, the sign of the numbers at the right of 0 is positive, while the sign of the numbers at the left of 0 is negative. In the same manner, at the y-axis, the sign of the numbers above 0 is positive, while the sign of the numbers below 0 is negative. With that, we can tell the sign of the coordinates in each quadrant. In the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. While at the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. And at the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Right. So, at this time, let me teach you how to plot points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so let us now plot the following points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, we have number 1, point J, with coordinates positive 2, positive 5. Number 2, point O, with coordinates negative 3, negative 4. Number 3, point T, with coordinates positive 4, negative 1. Number 4, point E, with coordinates negative 1, positive 4. Number 5, point R, whose coordinates are 0, positive 5. And number 6, point B, with coordinates negative 4, 0. Okay, so let's do this. So let us now plot the following points on our Cartesian plane. Let's start with number 1, that's point J. J has the coordinates positive 2, positive 5. 2 and 5 are both positive, therefore, point J is located at the first quadrant. To plot point J, let's start at the point of the origin. Now since x is positive 2, we have to move 2 units to the right. And since y is positive, we have to move 5 units upward. There! That's the location of point J. Number 2 is point O. O has the coordinates negative 3, negative 4. Both x and y coordinates are negative, therefore, point O is located at the third quadrant. Starting at the point of origin, we shall move 3 units to the left and move 4 units downward. There! That's the location of point O. T has the coordinates positive 4, negative 1. Here, x is positive and y is negative. Therefore, point T is located at the fourth quadrant. Starting at the point of origin, we have to move 4 units to the right and 1 unit downward. There! That's the location of point T. For number 4, that's point E
as coordinates are -1, +4. There, x is negative and y is positive. Therefore, we can find point E at the second quadrant. So starting at the point of origin, we have to move 1 unit to the left and 4 units upward to locate point E. There you go. That's the location of point E. Number 5 is point R. R has the coordinates 0, +5. But wait, your x there is 0, and we know that 0 is neither positive nor negative. Therefore, we cannot find R at any of the 4 quadrants. But still, we can plot point R. By starting at the point of origin, we don't need to move neither to the left nor to the right because x is 0. So we'll just move 5 units upward since y is +5. There, that's the location of point R. Now, notice that R is not located at any of the 4 quadrants, but it lies on the y-axis, on the positive side. So therefore, we can say that R is located along the positive y-axis. Number 6 is point B. B has the coordinates -4, 0. Again, x here is negative but y is 0. So therefore, point B is not found at any of the 4 quadrants. But still, we can plot point B. Starting at the point of origin, since x is negative, we'll have to move 4 units to the left. And y is 0, so we do not need to move upward nor downward, so we'll just stay there. There you have it. That's point B. Point B is similar to point R. It is not found at any of the 4 quadrants, but it is found along the x-axis on the negative side. So therefore, we can say that point B is located along the negative x-axis.
Well, that ends our discussion today. I hope you learned something from it. This is Teacher Jots, and I would like to say goodbye for now. But see you again in our next lesson. Keep safe always and have a great day.